Endra, me a lot of reports from a lot of top Ghanaian media outlets. Now, back on my channel, me who say now reporting on Assembly. Aside on my channel, no Ghana Web and so no more reporting on Assembly. So aside Ghana Web and so a lot of YouTube channels are reporting, and the website, even radio stations, TV stations be a reporter say what's up for Evangelist Apreku. Ghana for Dodona etai friend no Apreku my daughter. Na the full name Evangelist Emmanuel Kweku Apreku. Ghana for a friend no Apreku my daughter. Story about bonting Endra say we free mu wadani nyame dia trese wehu. Emma Nkrofo share their condolence messages ne nyama websites bebre etroye. Now I don't know, but for a very weird reason, when I saw the story, I wanted to follow it up. But I don't know, I just felt say no, I shouldn't do the story. It is Obakaya Endra, my story bia on Apreku my daughter, ni wo. But na Ghana Web, a very trusted, no more reporting was so, na radio stations be can, one my channel. Just say, top media outlets can, but I don't know, I just didn't feel like talking about it, so I didn't do any video to talk about it. Now, and that me sorry and say say Apreku my daughter, say your friend no. One on a live video, one Kofi TV, live video I walk say, and I say Jama sama ina kasa na say nipa. Kofi so bisa no say da bi won wuye. Say one no any Kofi TV kasa kra no wo kaso at the moment. Na won wuye. No nim de ntia nkrofo ebeka say one no Apreku my daughter no we free. Inti Ghana for say what say one no Apreku my daughter we wu a wo say enye ne kre na wonya enwuye. Na minim de ntia Ghana eya na ye pesa ade no. You attest to the fact that he's not the only person I hear this idea now. A lot of times, the young Crophobe Ghanaian celebrities. Obatia, yes, we obeka kushim, na nyanakre, yes, Ramo. Owo enya debia ye diagro. If you don't have very, very concrete information, send a pakono. Ewa, please just wait. And I say, me train ye. Na kebi ayemfa say Kofi TV ebe confirm here because minim say Kofi nim ne pango ye close to him. Ebi a Kofi TV be confirm here, other media outlets be confirm here, and then can me hun say ye ne kre na no so kan me story na tre say ya tre say Apreku my daughter ne kre say we free. But it wasn't true. He is still alive. Wo jineni. Na Apreku my daughter no, em say sisia a lot of people wouldn't actually know him. But Embra President Kufuor ebe than president no. And then say ne wo hu Reverend Obofuo mo say wo mo teso hu obi ni mo say wo mo teso no. That time Apreku my daughter sana no what here. Na eba miracles. Miracles are enye easy. Eyi tre ade Nyankopon yi prophecy. Because that time nka obekaya na JJ Rollins time. And Apreku eba bonten ebeka say Nyankopon yi atre mo. Say Kufuor ele beba beda ne president. Imagine NDC time JJ Rollins time. Apreku the year no easy. But he wasn't scared. Even though JJ Rollins was the president. Satan na nkrofo kan say JJ Rollins time no. Usro klasa obekasa, but ono de wo hu se Nyankopon ne ka tre no na ne kre it came to pass. Na de ema ne din be obeji din ankrofo ebe frɛ na Apreku my daughter no ene say em se no ka asem bi o se den no se Nyankopon efrɛ no Nyankopon frɛ no no na Nyankopon ka say Apreku my daughter nti no na ebe dane ne din ankrofo ehya se wo mo de frɛ no outlende eye din a eda ne so ankrofo nim no se Apreku my daughter. Because no say Nyankopon friend and Nyankopon ka say Apreku my daughter. Me walo no wo ye bema. Inti na Ghana for ka say eh. O ye so say Nyankopon na frɛ wa Apreku my daughter no because o ye bema. O ye bema. Inti say Nyankopon ko ka Apreku my daughter. O be say Nyankopon no wo nima na. So that's how Nidin ebe tele ya up till ende edino aka ewo ne so Apreku my daughter no. So he is not dead. He is still alive by the grace of God. Mo amokas Apreku my daughter wewu niana. At least he has come out to speak. Or say, oh, that is how the world is. Just say we are here. I am alive. This is me. It has been announced on the radio that I am dead. But it is not true. Into Wabako fit even in some walk no. I say this is me. It has been announced on the radio station. Just on no radio station so that I am dead. But it is not true. I am speaking from Kaswa at the moment. Now walk as no go say no straight. And no any asemwa edaho. Yes remo. More carry those stories no media medical can owu aseme nya asem bia obe sorry sa keke na waka. Some Ghanaians have reacted on this. I want to read a comment for you guys and then we call it a day on this particular story. Yen hwe de Ghana for Eka. Hey asemu. When so be the year we politics. Obi see NDC for and the spread for just a modie just a jemwante obi na dey politics no obi ebedi Ghana Web attend because Ghana Web for ebetroye na womo de a chopper aba bonten eka say womo anhye na womo reporter baako na ye mistake a wo troye say Apreku my daughter no wewu na they are sorry in some Ghana Web for Abetro and no. Until be a reply Emma Ghana Web or say I am leaving this useless and misleading Ghana Web after writing this comment. Why can't you verify before you publish them? Yesterday you posted that this man is dead. Until someone will be Edema Ghana Web no. Not just a Ghana Web so much there. Also what is wrong with the new generation? They are not prepared to do anything for themselves. They do not challenge all the stupid things in their culture. They keep doing the same mistakes over and over again. I don't know why. Obviously, Ghana Web writers or journalists, they call their articles. Okay. Obviously, Ghana Web, you see your life. LOL. You go around picking up trash information from people's Facebook and other social media. Into a lot of people coming out and insulting Ghana Web for not verifying this before posting. So that's that. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment box below. But Ms. Remo, this should go to all of us because see, me Nimkrano, former president John Evans Atamil said the year no. Sa enobewu ye. Ghanaian actor Super Odi. And also sa wo ho a wo beti yes Super Odi. Sa even JJ Rollins. Ye dey ayana pen. JJ Rollins ye dey ayana pen. Wo bia wo no so ye tade ye no almost every single year. Eyen cancer le win. Wo beti ni ese cancer le win so sa Trese Misremo won yes na wa wo yes no wa wo tina nchen yes no akoye se wo ye beifo because wo ye beifo a na won ti se wo bi ewu ana wo nim se wo bi ewu a why will you come out and say the person is dead? We need to be really serious about some things. And John Evans Atamo so free mu no yet sin some Ghana for ebi mo kan na Ghana for ni bakune wu ya kra no mo aba bonten be kasa ni bakune ewu mo anu amode kasa ni bakune ewu no eno kra ka ho na so ebia na ni bakune ni natural death no but the san say enkrofo eka say o nipa we wu ni ntino obewu a na afi ya de hyemo mesremo ya report on the death cases no so no say eye owu asemo a please let's make it. And let's say I share breaking news. Ni abe posting in term my views in term pass on ni posting. When I saw the post from on my channel, I think it was yesterday. and I'm who post me from my channel, and then my call my channel also me person me share sa story no we delete it. There's a one also and who say Ghana web a posting no and also fire what can one sem. And that preku aba bonti e betre say won wu ye no. Some YouTube channels still have the story. And the story be a metie. A branch and e narrate e can say ane apreku ewu. Meanwhile ne bakona ba bonti abeka se won wu ye. So why don't you just take down that video? Don't try to comment box and wait for it.